comfortable with each other's presence and company. And closer, but it's not something that we're conscious about.
Right. Pero what's the best thing about him ba that made you so comfortable?
The support and actually the love. The love na it's the way he loves surprises me
Okay.
every day. Like, I'm surprised that someone is capable of being so selfless. And I thought na guys like him aren't real or couldn't be real. Someone who really only, I know, really just cares about me, my happiness, my genuine happiness, whatever I want to achieve in life. Sobra siyang support na alam mo yung parang quote na kahit wala siya doon sa picture or like I love you so much for you to be happy even if I'm not part of that. Parang ganun siya eh. Of course, he's part of it.
Right.
Pero ganun yung na-feel ko sa kanya and it's very overwhelming. But the good.
It's also the little things na ginagawa niya na hindi namin nakikita, no?
Yes, yes. And wala, I'm just comfortable. I guess that's what you call a soulmate.
Right. So soulmate. Love it.
I felt that early on.
Thanks, Alexa. Thank you
Alexis,
so much.
kanina you mentioned na yung gusto mo sanang gawing goal, yung love story ni Melay. What about that story? Yung gusto mo sanang i-pattern sa inyo?
Sobrang solid po kasi nila eh. I mean, the fact that they got married.
Yeah.
They got married and they've built a beautiful family and a beautiful life with each other. Who wouldn't want that, diba? I guess, kapag naman, ako po kasi yung klase ng tao na pag pumasok ko sa relationship, there's a goal, there's an intent to take this to different levels. I mean, I don't date just for laughs or just because I'm bored. So, although I'm not judging people who do, but personally, I have a goal in mind, and hopefully that person shares the same goal as I do. Yes, very. And ako, I'm very open, and I'm a very vocal person. So we really talk about things like that. Na kung aligned ba yung goals, kung aligned ba yung dreams namin, if we can work together towards that, that would be great.
Kanina din sinabi mo yung parang you just waiting for a while. Ano yung value na nakikita mo doon? I mean, for not, parang hindi nagmamadali sa relationship. What's the value that you see in that concept, in that idea?
Well, it's true that good things come to those who wait. And I feel like we're slowly planting seeds in each other's garden. And one day, we're gonna reap the benefits of all of that together. So, yun po. And I feel like, I want to overthinker lang ako na gusto ko, by this age, sana, ganito na yung status ko sa buhay, meron ako ganito, ganyan. At this age, my family. So, gusto ko sana maging maayos talaga yung path getting there. So, I feel like it's really good to me kasi masusure mo kung worth it nga ba itong ginagawa ko everyday or nilolokohan lang tayo. At this is for me.
Last na lang, you mentioned yung age. Big deal ba sa inyo yung age gap? Parang,
I'm actually older than him. Nang 2 years po, I don't think that age is a problem. As long as it should same wavelength, same level of maturity, or you're on the same page in terms of the relationship, I think that's all that matters.
Gano'n ka-patient si Kate? How would you describe his
Ay, parang super. Sobra siyang patient. Sa totoo lang po na minsan gino-joke ko siya na paano kung ending nito wala pala. Parang happy siya just by getting the chance to love me. And ganun din po. It's like a privilege na I'm just gonna enjoy the journey. If the outcome is us in the end, thank God. If not, thank you.
ito pala, how important is that yung family nyo ay part din ng story mo?
Ay, sobra pong importante. Sabi ko nung bata ako, syempre bata ko, medyo ano-ano pa yung iniisip na, pag ako nagmahal, kahit ayaw ni mami, basta love ko, ipaglalawad ko. Hindi po pala ganun yun. As in, sabi ko, it's so important to me that my parents approve that kahit yung pamangkin ko, dapat approve niya. Kasi iba yung peace dun sa relationship. Iba yung, alam mong, aalagaan din kayo ng mga taong nagmamahal sa inyo. Sobrang importante po. Ang swerte namin because we are both very well loved by our families.
sa buhok, nasira yung strap ng sapatos.
Talaga ba? Nakakahiya.
Oo, pero after very gentleman kay Diba, hindi ka nakita sa akin yung parang bigla siya din sa mga.
Aligaga.
Dada,
Ganun po talaga. Thank you po.
Ba't kanya sa iba? Hindi, pagiging gentleman lang. Sabi kanya, inaasikaso.
Sobra. Feeling ko nga po minsan baby girl pa ako. Bakit alagain naman masyado? Akala ko strong independent woman tayo dito. Pero siguro po talaga si Katie. As in. Wala siyang pakialam sa tinitibang lang. Ang importante sa kanya ay sorry.
Sana all.
Gorgeous.
Mas ano pala, ano yung nakabangan namin sa kaibigan? Kasi yung isa din namin, since pinapanis yung paraiso.
Sobrang grabe po kasi yung binigay namin for energy, time, and effort na sa Piraso na kaya sabi namin, parang, lalo na ngayon, I'm trying something new. Mas, we want to explore things new. Striving pa tayo. Whether it's together or individually. So yun, ako rin talaga yung hosting. And parang huling gagawa ng music. Music. Yun yung na
Speaking of music, kasi parang nilpost na kagabi yung old song nyo na Crush Kita with Mika. Ano yung balik sa'yo after watching it?
Kaya, grabe dati, tinatago ko yun.
Crush na crush kita.
As in, ayoko ipakita kahit kanino. Sobrang nahiya ako kasi bata, nag-cringe. Pero na-realize ko, iconic. Wow, iconic! Ang yabang, hindi. Pero na-realize ko na naging parte pala siya ng buhay ng mga tao talaga. May effect pala siya sa mga tao. Akala ko baka pinatawanan lang kami, mga bata, ganun. Feeling girl group. Tapos tawa ng tao. May nagsabi na bago nagkaroon ng baby, learn the twins of slay. That's all I can say. Nakakatawa.
Pero kamusta na kayo yung grupo na dati? Do you have still
Well, honestly, si Mika lang. But we don't communicate often. Parang nagkaroon lang ng reconnection. Actually, si Angel din. Nagpitalan kami couple like months ba? Basta recently. But it's not an active communication.
Ba't nakakatuwa kasi parang napunta na kayo ng ito? Yung sinabi mo kanina para lang na
Reconnect, yes, yes. Nakakatawa din.
Tapos, ano masasabi mo doon yung ba?
I'm so happy. I'm sobrang happy para anak ka, baby niya yun eh. And not just kay Derek Bobo, but the whole team. Lahat ng nag-alaga sa akin simula bata ko ako. Masaya ako kasi they deserve to be on TV. They deserve to make Filipinos laugh, smile, and be happy again. And ngayon, everyday pa. And sobra rin po ma-excited para sa mga bata. Ang daming matutupad ng pangarap.
Mabigas na ba?
Ay, hindi ko po alam. Hopefully. I hope. Hello, Derek.
Sinamay ka and
Baka unti-unti silang nagko-call ng mga alumni. Yan. So, hopefully.
pero paano mo pinaghahanda itong bago mong task kay Kuya bilang host?
Ano lang. Pero may nakabahan ako. As in, kanina ko sa upuan ko, nanginginig parang may earthquake sa katawan ko. Sabi ko, ano bang gagawin ko dito? Ano nga ba talaga ang ambag ko? Because I'm with amazing hosts already. What more can I add? Exactly. Ako blessed ako kasi I'm sure madami kong matutunan sa kanila. I'm a newbie. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this journey and to see ano yung mga magiging outcome na to for me. Magiging para sa akin din kung field na to amazing. If not, okay lang. At least na-experience ko sa pinaka-iconic ko na bahay.
Isa pa din
Alexis, hindi ko lang kasi yung nakabalita last week na parang nagtaluhan na kayo ni Mika sa IG. So, totoo ba na or ano lang yun? Matagal na kayo nagpalman or
No, recent lang din. So yun nga, nagkaroon ng reconnection again. And yes, of course, of course. And ayun, everything's good.
kasi ang dami nito ng fan.
Talaga. Kikita pala nila yun.
Sabi.
The world is healing well. Yeah, that's true. I mean, time heals everything. Yes, totoo. Ito yung time namin. Not forcing anything, but I'm just happy about how everything is.
and you're happy.
Yeah.
Last on me, paano kung sabihin ni Kuya na bukas ko ulit, tumira ka ulit sa bahay ni Kuya with Kuya?
Kulatan? With KD. Sabi ko kasi kung mag-isa ako, hindi ko alam. Parang nakabahan
sa Rishuden kasi diba, hindi ka naman nananalo kay Nintendo. Bongga yung naging career nila.
Thankfully. Kaya, totoo po yung sinasabi ni Ate Belle na papasok ka, parang don't overthink, huwag kang mag-game plan masyado, huwag kang mag-strategize masyado, just enjoy the flow of things and be your true self. Kapag totoo habang nagpapakatao.